I'm Fraser Turnbull, legal counsel at SOCAN, and we're going to discuss artificial intelligence. You may be wondering why a lawyer is talking about generative AI and the music it produces. Well, that's because generative AI technology raises several legal and ethical issues that need to be addressed. But first, what's the difference between AI and generative AI? Creators have been using forms of artificial intelligence for years to create new songs and sounds. You're likely familiar with Pro Tools. It uses artificial intelligence for mastering or recording or auto-tuning a voice. But when we're talking about generative AI, we're not talking about things like Pro Tools. Instead, generative AI is a technology that allows any person to create an entire song, music, lyrics, melody, with the press of a button. These songs may then compete with human-created songs in the marketplace. Okay, so what's the big issue with generative AI then? Simply put, generative AI uses the hard work of SOCAN members and other creators without compensation, consent, or credit. Essentially, these technologies copy all the music available on the internet, learn the patterns of different styles, genres, and types of music, and then use that information to produce a new song based on prompts provided by the user. There's a lack of transparency about where the AI company sources the songs to build its music database, as well as what specific music has been used in the creation of AI songs. The risk of generative AI is that it will diminish the demand and respect for the work of human songwriters and composers, and could threaten the future of the creative industries. With that being said, SOCAN agrees that it's not all doom and gloom and that generative AI can also present new opportunities for the music industry. But those opportunities will only be realized if respect for creators becomes the foundation of generative AI. The goal must be that generative AI is used as a tool for creators, not a tool to replace creators. Compensation, consent, and credit occur only when creators are included as a partner in the development of generative AI models. These companies have publicly admitted that their technologies require the work of creators to function. With that being the case, creators and developers need to work together to find solutions. In order to negotiate fair deals, music creators need to know when and where their works have been used. SOCAN has been advocating on behalf of our members to the Canadian government to ensure that generative AI regulations include transparency and record-keeping requirements so your expression is protected and rewarded. We are no stranger to technological developments and have a long history of finding solutions that compensate our members for their hard work. We believe that generative AI will be no different. I know, there's lots to think about and understand, but we are confident that a positive path forward exists for the benefit of all music creators.